Kino yalam bat kidukhat kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party BJP haga Meghalaya kila Rakhe kemen haga khatway tarik yayong ha office trekam jongka ya ka Lyngkhuh Snem sapuh nyaw na dua bala seng bersandur ya ka kum ka political party hari India. Haga ni kasngile kemen Lyngkhuh Snem kino yalam jongka ni kaseng kila pen Khuborom ya baro ki Samla ki bala job pat wanra ya kitak kemaksiar rupa bernong haki jing Yakob kickboxing yasiat knam archery bat kitu kibala no senyang haga thok katar bat kiwe de kijing yakom hagani kasngi kinong yalam ka BJP kila pen Khuborom bat kan mau tumpang ru kinong yalam joka seng kibala penno baha ban sedang ya ka BJP ha Meghalaya haki Snem bala lengno kaseng BJP hagani kasngi kila kan mau burom tumpang khamtam ya Professor Martin Narayan Majau menteri bat MLA Barim kamau hati constituency ubala sandur webreu ya ka Land Transfer Act ka an ke bala ai ka jinyada ka baskem ya ki khandau ki siap bat jaka ki puta jong ki riu lom ka Meghalaya hakani ka jingelang Rakhe sngi Lyngkhuh Snem ladan lang menteri Arts and Culture ba Khuborjylla ba AL Hek MLA penthor umkra no aktin ki BJP ba M Kharkrang kinong aktin Barim bat ki ba menta jang seng rengkat kitu ki bala syak hot ngau ba
Yes, this is the champion. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Boxing. Yeah. Come. Display this. Yes.
Along with medal.
Yes, that's it. Come on. Yeah.
Who has a wide vision for our people of Meghalaya. So I would like to request Bahe to hand over the award to the grandson of Mr. late Martin N. Majau, Shri Kit Khashie. Please come on and receive. Who had contributed so much to this society and hope he being in our party will also uplift our party in and around Jaintia Hills in regards to the
92 years of age. Good cancer. And still going strong. Big round of applause to him.
प्रभा आपसे हमको पूरा ख्याल है जब आपको हम भी
Thank you. He's the first person to beat me MLA also 1998.
Wow, amazing.
Service to God.